To create the perfect bone marrow aspirate smear, you'll need blood, a pipette, your slides, and a dish. It's best to do the bone marrow aspirate smears as soon as it's taken from the patient while it's very fresh. That way, it doesn't have to sit in the anticoagulant at all, as anticoagulant can cause some morphologic distortion. Once you have your aspirate smear in your dish, gently swirl the specimen and look for particles that look like little pieces of glass or grains of sand. These are the spicules or particles. Use your pipette to collect or draw up a couple of particles and place them very carefully onto the top third of the slide near the frosted end. Be sure to not put too much blood. Spill a portion of the specimen and use the pipette to suck up extra blood. You'll be able to see the particles once all the surrounding extra blood has been re-aspirated. Now, we're going to take another slide like so. Place it perpendicular to the other slide and lay it right on your specimen. Let the weight of the slide spread it, and gently with no pressure, pull the slide apart. And you'll see a greasy appearing white streak down the middle of your slide. Aim for a thin, even smear that spreads marrow particles gently across the slide. The perfect aspirate smear shows visible marrow spicules, a smooth feathered edge, and a clear background. This allows easy examination of cell morphology and overall marrow quality. Now, let's go over how not to make bone marrow aspirate smears. Just like with peripheral smears, using too much blood and a bone marrow aspirate can cause problems. When there's excess blood, the smear becomes too diluted, washing out marrow particles and making it harder to evaluate cellular detail. It's very important to let the slide air dry completely before packaging it in the slide mailer. Slides that have been packaged while still wet will show cytological artifacts that make the cells difficult to identify under the microscope. A well-prepared aspirate slide with feathered edges and balanced cellular spread ensures accurate and reliable microscopic evaluation.